Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here we from Group 9 will present the result of the critical review discussion on an article entitled A Study on Students' Motivation Toward Learning Same Language by Irza Yuzulia. Before that, we will introduce the group first. With me, Asfia Trinuria, and then Miss Ariska Dewi, and then Miss Devi Alvira Indriani, and the last Mr. Muhammad Badi Mukarobin. Okay, now I will to tell the study overview from the result with our discussion with my group. The first is, what is research about? This is about motivation as the main point to determine students' desire to learn English. And then the second, what does research matter? This research is important to determine students' motivation in learning English and the types of motivation they have. And next, what does theoretical framework underlie the study? Motivation has the specific role of raising eagerness, willingness, and gladness in learning. It will determine student success or failure in learning a foreign language. And then, how is the study carried out? The research design used a qualitative case study design. The data in this study were collected through a questionnaire consisting of 25 questions and open-ended questions. And the last, what does the study unpack? This case was analyzed descriptively according to the two types of motivation that the respondent had, intrinsic and extrinsic motivation, to find out what kind of motivation they had.
Okay, the next is research merits. What are the practical or empirical or theoretical implications of the study? In an article that contains research on the study of student motivation towards learning English, motivation is the main point to determine the desire of students to learn English. This can be proven by the author in a research article that examined 62 third-grade high school students in Pekanbaru. In the study, it was found that students' motivation in learning English was due to several reasons, such as answering English assignments, to pass the national examination, for their future careers, etc. Such research has shown that students are highly motivated to learn English. And then, what novelty does the research offer? Well, motivation can be divided into two kinds. They are extrinsic and intrinsic motivation. With intrinsic motivation, the students don't need to be pushed to do something. This statement is the same as the next statement. Intrinsic motivation describes self-initiated task engagement with no apparent extrinsic rewards beyond the activity itself.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ariska Dewi and I'm from CBI 3 and my ID number is T2019-6119 and I'm from grade 9 group. This time I will give some critique about some article. Let me briefly discuss the article entitled A Study on a Student. So, A Study on a Student is a research conducted using a qualitative case study design methodology. Because in this article, it has an orderly structure and stage and meet the criteria known as good research. This article also has some drawbacks from this research, namely the uncertainty of the objective that the author want to convey is not clearly defined, but can be seen implicitly in the abstract section. So that's all the critic from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Badik Mukarrabin, class TPI 3. Here I will discuss about the conclusion. How can the report be improved in any means? First, discuss the name and location of the research object, because is included in the ethic of writing article. That means is participant in this study were 62 third grade high school student in Pekanbaru. Secondly, in the article explain that the student tend to have two kind of motivation. The first one is instrumental motivation, and the second integrative motivation. And the student also realized that English is crucial for their future. It can be identified by their purpose to learn English in order to communicate, to able to understand reading material in English, and to get better job, because the English is important thing. Sometimes English is using for the international language, or if you have client in the business, sometimes you using English for the communicate, and that why English is important thing for the job. Thank you. That's for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.